Alright, so this video is going to show you how to do a split screen in case you'd like to have two windows open at the same time that you can see at the same time. So most likely you would probably want to use this while being in a Teams meeting and accessing maybe another document or your It's Learning lesson for the day. So I'm going to use those two windows since they're probably be most likely, but you can use this with any windows that you'd like open. So you're going to want to go ahead and open the window that you want to use, and here at the top where you see the X and the minimize and all that, you're going to left click and hold. So like if you were holding, you can move it around, and you're going to go to the very corner of your screen and you'll kind of see that weird box appear in the background, and you let go, and now you should have a pinned smaller box of the window that you had chosen. Now it does not initially go the length of the page, but you can change that by just coming here to the bottom and using the arrow and dragging it down. Now, you have one window pinned, you have the section for the other window over here, so you would open up the other window that you want, so say your It's Learning window. Again, you would left click at the top here, where your X and your minimize are, hold that down, and you would just go to the other corner and pin that there. And then you will be able to access both windows at the same time. You wouldn't be able to type in one unless you click on it, but you'll be able to like see your Teams meeting going on and participate in that while looking at your It's Learning lesson or vice versa.